YouTubers? I just wanted to film this little video. We're in the middle of a construction zone. All those cars up there, all 8 of them passed me about 90 miles an hour. Speed limit's 55. Here comes another one. Why can't they do the speed limit? That's all I'm asking. There's another one. Oh, and there's about 4 more behind them. Oh, that one has a California license plate. You know what they say. Alright guys, I know I haven't uploaded a video in like months, and that's because I really don't do anything in the wintertime. Wintertime's Xbox time. There's no camping, it's too cold. Today's a nice day, it's 49 degrees. I don't know if you can see it, but where my finger is the fog bank that I'm getting ready to go into. And look at all these cars still passing. So when we're in the fog bank, it drops down to about 39, 38 degrees. It's cold, it's winter, it's Oregon, you know? Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later.